In the tranquil hills of 17th century Japan sat a modest temple, its walls echoing the chants of devoted monks and nuns in search of enlightenment. Among them was Ryonen, a nun renowned not only for her remarkable beauty, but for her profound spirit and unwavering dedication to the practice of zazen. Her presence at the temple was a lighthouse of serenity, drawing admiration from all who encountered her. Yet, there was one monk whose admiration transgressed into passion. His heart, overwhelmed by the allure of Ryonen's beauty, clouded his devotion and stirred desires that veiled his path to enlightenment. He wrestled with these feelings until one night, temptation pushed him past the threshold of the sacred vow. Under the cover of darkness, he crept into Ryonen's quarters, the moon casting ethereal shadows upon the sliding paper doors. Expecting anger and reproach, he was taken aback by Ryonen's calm demeanor. "I'm aware of your feelings," she spoke softly as she held a candle, its dim light reflecting off her serene face. "If this is what you seek, I will grant it, but tomorrow, not today." The monk, bewildered yet relieved, agreed and retreated to his chambers, filled with anticipatory thoughts. The following day marked a significant event, the anniversary of the Buddha's enlightenment, a day of grand ceremony and solemn reflection. The temple buzzed with energy as followers gathered to celebrate this pivotal moment in their spiritual calendar. As the rituals unfolded amidst colors and incense, Ryonen made her way through the throng. She stood undeterred before the vast assembly and, with a resolve that outshone her stunning beauty, she disrobed, standing bare in the heart of the temple. Her actions stunned the gathering into silence. They beheld not her exposed form, but her transcendent courage. The monk who had pursued her watched in disbelief, his hidden desires laid bare for all to see under the illuminating truth of his own delusion. "Here I am," Ryonen declared, her voice resonating through the silence. "If this is what your heart truly seeks, fulfill it here under the eyes of the Buddha." Her words, piercing and unyielding, unveiled a path of enlightenment that the monk had misunderstood. The implications of her actions, the folly of his desires, and the purity of her spirit drove him into chaos. He fled the temple, never to return. Ryonen's daring act was a profound teaching to all in the temple, a demonstration of the truth that lies beneath the skins we are bound to. The master, however, approached her with deep reverence, but also voiced a concern that echoed through the halls. "Your beauty is a mirror through which many see only their desires," he uttered with serene wisdom. With unyielding determination and the embodiment of her teaching, Ryonen responded not with words but action. She took a blade and, in a swift, determined motion, marred the skin that had been the source of delusion. Her face, now marked by her own hand, reflected her unwavering commitment to the path of truth, unclouded by illusions of the transient visage she bore. In her painful yet enlightened choice, she taught all that true beauty dwells far beyond the flesh, residing deep within the unwavering spirit. Thus, in Ryonen's act, the true essence of zazen lived, a relentless severance of all illusions blocking the path to enlightenment.